Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for March 11 to 17, 2023. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. Thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan. And also, if you're interested in private reading, naka 30% discount tayo hanggang March 20. Ayan. Link on the description na lang. Pakicheck. So, let's see, Leo. What's up? March 11 to 17 for Leo. You have Gemini energy, socialization. Oo, sobra kayong mag-socialize. Oo. Or you will be connecting more with a lot of people. Medyo, kayo ngayon, mas lalabas. Oo. Yes. May mga tao rin na nag-encourage sa inyo na, to go out, explore, have fun, go on a date, meet new people, ganyan. So, yung iba may mga short travels din kayo during this time. Yung iba, maari ring, mas magiging very active rin kayo sa social media. Maaring, lalo na kung kayo ay isang content creator or influencer, no? So, marami kayong mga projects this week. May mga, short courses, studies, na mga pag-aaralan kayo na very much interested kayo. Magiging part kayo ng isang grupo or isang community na pareho yung inyong interest. Time for a nap. Ayan. So, yung iba sa inyo, in-encourage na matulog ng maaga. Or, yung tipong may mga pahinga, yung mga power naps, no? Lalo na kung magiging very busy kayo. Oo. Kasi may mga transformation, changes ngayong week na to for you. I think you're becoming more authentic, no? Mas nagiging totoo ka sa sarili mo. It's like you don't really care na kung ano yung sasabihin ng iba, for as long as kilala mo yung sarili mo, alam mo yung sarili mo, kung sino ka talaga, and you're going to show them who you really are. Ayan. As long as you're happy. Ayan. So, parang happy-go-lucky vibe. And at the same time, you are enjoying, no? Ina-enjoy mo yung times na meron kang mga nakikilalang bagong connections, mga friends, acquaintances, that will help you, no, in the future to build your business, to build your career. Ayan. So, let's see what else. Tignan natin ang overall energy ng mga Leo for this week. Overall energy, Leo. Page of Cups. You are very, enthusiastic. May mga pangarap kayo na ngayon na gustong-gusto nyong simulan. Oo. May source of inspiration. Let's see what else. The Moon. Oh. Yun nga lang parang something is holding you back. No? May pumipigil sa'yo na i-pursue to, gawin to. This can be a project or a business or a career na gusto mong subukan. May pumipigil sa'yo yung fears mo dun sa what if hindi mag-work, what if ganito. Sometimes you overthink, okay? So, yun yung kailangan mo i-let go dito. Kasi minsan, nag-create tayo ng problema na wala pa naman talaga. No? So, ang nangyayari, na-attract tuloy natin yon. So, don't worry. Just always be prepared. Okay? Para hindi ka ma-stress. Let's see your challenge. You have the Six of Pentacles, Some of you pwedeng magkaroon ng challenging situation sa inyong kaperahan, finances. Maaring merong mga hihingi ng tulong, unexpected na spending or expenses. Oo. Maaring kamag-anak mo, hingi ng tulong, kaibigan mo, hindi inaasahan, na kailangan nila ng financial aid, financial help. So, kailangan nandyan ka for them. Or maari ring meron kang kailangang pagkagastosan right away para sa mga projects mo or sa business mo or sa career mo. 'Di ba? Lalo na kung may mga nagsisimula na bagong career, bagong business, yun talaga pag nagsisimula ka, yan yung time na binibuild mo yung foundation mo. So, syempre, medyo magastos pa yan. Okay, so let's see your opportunity. You have the Hierophant, yan. This is the energy ng Taurus. And then the Seven of Wands. You have the opportunity to learn. Ma-mentor ka ng tamang tao, no? Para dyan sa mga goals mo sa buhay. And also, you will be more sensitive, no? Magiging sensitibo ka sa mga taong merong hindi maganda na interest or intention sa'yo. So, you will be protecting your energies. Pipiliin mo lang kung sino yung mga tao na sa tingin mo ay may magandang intention sa'yo para tulungan ka, i-improve ang iyong kalagayan, kabuhayan, ganyan. Let's see your blessing. The blessing, wow, Ace of Pentacles. Some of you, ang blessing dito, new job, new career, new opportunity for money. Maaring meron kayong investment na papasukin. I also see someone handing out pera sa'yo. May bibigay na pera sa'yo. Pwedeng panimula for a business, no? Para siyang kapital, ganyan, sa negosyo. You have the Page of Wands. Travel, opportunities rin. May blessing ka to travel, to go to some places. Pwedeng something extra na makukuha mo pa rin para sa sarili mo. Although may challenges ka sa finances mo, lalo na kung ito ay paghingi ng tulong ng ibang tao sa'yo, hindi mo naman talaga to personal na expenses, pero something is also going to come back sa'yo. Siyempre, di ba, kapag tumutulong tayo sa iba, meron tayong natatanggap rin in return. Parang karma. Yan, good karma for helping others. So, let's see your money, career, finances for Leo. Oh, diba? Venus. Venus is the planet of money, luxury, beauty. Ayan. You are receiving something. Oo, meron kang marireceive na kaaya-aya na balita tungkol sa iyong career, sa business, sa finances mo. Yung iba sa inyo baka magsisimula kayo ng business na related sa health and beauty. Ayan. Four of Pentacles, financial stability, no? But you are going to build a strong foundation for something na sisimulan mo sa career mo, sa business. Maganda itong panimula para sa inyo. So you will receive that good karma for sharing your blessings to others, 'di ba? Let's see your love life. Love life. Pluto, transformation. Things are changing for your love life. Yung iba, pwedeng nagkaroon ng separation. Yung iba lang naman, no? Yung iba naman, may nagbabago sa relationship ninyo. Pwedeng from boyfriend-girlfriend, may engage kayo, 'di ba? Or may magpapakasal dito. So, something na I think this is a positive change. Oo. Something positive. Kasi this is your wish fulfillment. So, I think itong changes sa relationship mo, sa love life mo, ay yung gustong-gusto mo. No? Ito yung wini-wish mo. Ito yung fulfillment mo of your dreams. Ayan, ang ganda naman. So, let's see what is the final message. What is the final message for Leo. Outflank adversaries by keeping a low profile and less threatened. Ayan. So, medyo magiging low-key kayo ngayon. Hindi kayo masyadong, magpo-post sa social media about your success, about yung mga achievements mo. Kasi gusto mo, you just want to keep it to yourself. Gusto mo lang magtrabaho na magtrabaho. Kasi, iwas yan sa mga evil eyes. Okay? Yung mga inggitero at inggitera. Okay, so that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. Bye.